What's going on around? This is Mike from Kicks. As you can see, today we are still going to review a new pair 350 V2 new colorways that's gonna release in today. So I will show you how this pair looks like in details. So this is the pair Yeezy 350 V2 Linen colorways. As you can see, classical Yeezy 350 V2 design without the pro tag on this pair, cleaning heel, and you see this pair colorway is quite special because in the bottom we have the yellow outsole here with the high quality boost here, and the lighter yellow in the midsole. Right go through with the upper, still the yellow colorways. Quite special thing is these stripes are reflective materials. The colorways match with the sock liner here. What do you think about this pair? New colorways, new design, and the match sock liner with the stripe. I will show you how this pair looks like on foot, and comment below what you think about this pair. This pair was more like an update version of the Butter 350 V2 releasing last year. So it's quite a colorways that match the summer, so I think this is definitely a cop for me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think about these pair. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.